Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAFIZUDIN bin ZUHAIR. Okay, I was intern in AZAM motor. Okay, I want to present about my project title is a implementation of the 5S to improve spare parts storage in the aircon department at AZAM motor. Okay, for the chapter 1 is an introduction. Okay, introduction AZAM motor. AZAM motor is a stage with 100 local workers, more than 50 staff, from the management to mechanics. AZAM motor. The AZAM motor is offer the repairs vehicle, repairs of the water transport, such as a boat and related, for the agriculture, machinery, supplying and vehicle parts. Okay, for the 5S introduction, the first is a short, second is a shine, third is a sustain, next is a set in order, and lastly standards. Okay, for the problem statement, the first is a spare part label and text do not follow the instruction. Second, the arrangement of the cupboards for the storing spare part is not neatly organized. And lastly, picking up the spare parts takes quite a long time according to people. Okay, for the objective in the project is to make it easier to pick up spare parts. Second, to improve quality and exchange safety. Okay, lastly, is to maintain the cleanliness of the spare parts store and always be charitable. Okay, scope of the work is the 5S project at this spare parts store is for the improvement of the leg of the 5S system. Okay, next is a labeling on the name of the vehicle spare part. Make a tagging and layout of the spare part rack, storage rack, and then carry out the 5S work. Okay, lastly, the project will follow the jatagan and will be complete at the time set according to the following Gantt chart. Okay, the chapter 2 is a planning project or the project planning. The first is a whole meeting minutes for the prepared project 5S. We must be make a meeting minutes. Okay, in the minutes of the meeting for the project 5S, for the spare part store, focus on the work process of the implementation 5S at the spare part store. We make an improvement and identify problem and the solving problem found in the spare part store. Okay, this team members project 5S chart, organization chart. The first is Mastina Muhammad Sani is a boss in AZAM motor. Second is Muhammad HAFIZUDIN bin ZUHAIR is me for the leader of the project 5S. Next Muhammad Ilham bin Hamdan is a advisor for me to project 5S, and lastly Fatin Nazira is a assistant for the project 5S. Okay, in the project overview, to implementation 5S on the spare part store and study the 5S process to maintain it to make the management of the spare part store to be better. Okay, in this 5S project, we make a cleaning, organizing, tagging spare parts, label and solving problem by repairing damage or problem in the spare part store. Okay, this is a flowchart process of the 5S. We can see it's a flowchart from the start to the finish. Okay, this is a Gantt chart from the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, and lastly step 7. in a month start in April to September. Okay, chapter 3 is a project implementation. Okay, these pictures show the original condition of the layout in the spare part store. Its condition is a very messy and not organized the spare part, and more and is not clean. Okay, the step 1 is identify the frequency of the item are used. Okay, in step 1 we make a store item together if they are used together. Next, the store item in the sequence you to use them, and lastly we record the spare part. Okay, this picture is a store card. We record the spare part out and in, then the data in the manual we transfer to the Excel in the system. Okay, stage 2 is identify the design spare part location. We create a new layout for the spare part position and make a storage place digest for the easy to remove and put spare part back, and make storage place accessible and comfortable to use. Okay, stage 3 is a location spare part store cleaning. We do the switch the trash and throw away the trash, and we remove a shelf and tool and empty the spare part store. Okay, the stage 4 is a visual control in a store spare part. We make a labeling on the spare part and make flow tab. Okay, for the step 5 lighting in the store spare part, we repair the power plug. Okay, this the first picture is the power plug is not repaired, and second picture is a power plug after the repair. Is a very good and excellent. Okay, for the step 6 is evaluate the work area. We check the area in the spare part store and make the improvement. Okay, step 7 is a set a visual standard. We maintain a comfort posture and position, and we take a photo to show the standard in the area. It's a photo for the after we make a 5 project. It's a cleaning and the maintain. Okay, this for the chapter 4 is a result and discussion. Okay, this is for the result analysis of the process of the 5S. Okay, the first pictures is a store spare part before 5S. Okay, the condition of the spare part store, which is so disorganized, cultured, and the management system is less efficient. Okay, the second pictures is the store spare part after making the 5S. Is a cleanest, is a better maintained and guaranteed. Then a security in the spare part store is more tightened. Okay, this result and analysis of the time trial for the workers search the spare part. Okay, the table is the worker search before 5S project. Okay, we can look the time worker to search the spare part is a long time. Then after the 5S project is making, the time worker to search the spare part is less. Okay, this comparison before and after the implementation of the 5S project. We can see the table. The things the first thing is the cleanliness of the spare part store. The before 5S project and after project. For the cleanliness of spare part is unsatisfactory, and after is satisfactory. Okay, then let's follow the comfort, the search of the spare part, safety in the spare part store, arrange safe and spare part, and lastly spare parts access control. We can compare before and after. Is you can see the after 5S project is a better than a before 5S project is making. Okay, the chapter 5 is conclusion and recommendation. Okay, the 5S is an approach. It's a standard process of the creating and maintaining of an order. It's a safe, clean, and efficient workplace. As a part of the 5S, exchange of visual content are implemented to make any process non-conformity visible and easier to detect. Okay, the results show that a 5S is an effective tool or method for the 5S project to improve organizational performance regardless of the type of organization, its size, production, and service. Okay, for the recommendation, for the future improvement in my project, quality on the 5S project can be further improved using this method. The first is comparison before and after project, and second is survey. Okay, it's a contribution to the industry. We are finding of the study can be used in all 5S project implementation process. Then the impact and lesson learned from this project can be implemented in all future project well. In addition, this 5S project is highly encouraged to be done in the industry because it can provide benefit to industry such as an instrument for 5S management to drive the organization to be more excellent. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.